Chiba, what were you thinking? I lost everything, Bubblegum. You don't understand. Chiba, that hunter could have come out of nowhere and killed you. It doesn't matter. I lost my father, I lost my mother, I lost my friends. Now I'm just a lone wolf all over again. That's all I am. You have me. Why are you being friends with a loser like me? Besides, you're my stepmother. And besides, it's weird hanging out with you too much. You still have a chance to talk to your friends, you know. I do. Thanks, Bubblegum. No problem. No problem at all. And I was like, she's a total loser. Nice one, Omega. They're my friends. Excuse me, ma'am, but I don't think we know you. Guys, look, there's something I have to say. We're listening. I'm sorry, alright? I'm sorry I was so mean. It's just, Alpha's gone to my head. And I'm sorry. I don't know, should we accept her apology, Mishka? Come here. Ah! I'll take this as a yes. Woo! Ah! Omega! Off. Sorry. I'm heavier than you guys. Sorry. Yeah. Come on. I gotta go talk to Bubblegum. Wanna race me to there? Chiba, you cheater! Wait for me! It sure is sad having a dead mate, isn't it? What are you doing in here, Collie? I just wanted to visit your last minute to live. What are you talking about, Collie? I'm not old enough to die yet. No. And I found out you only have 2 more lives from Wolfstar, don't you? Get away from me, you freaking rat! I was supposed to be pack leader. Then Alpha had to choose that dumb red wolf. Because she's his daughter. Oh, now I figured out the truth. Thank you. No, go away. I'm so sorry. This seems familiar. This is how Domino Spots died from me. Second life. Who's top wolf now? I am. And there's only one more wolf left to die. I'm sorry, Wolfstar. Quit leaving me behind! No! No! Oh no. Not again. Bubblegum! No! I've known you for a while. You were my stepmother. I'm so sorry, Chiba. Bubblegum. Let's go bury her. Whoever's doing this deserves to die. Mishka's right. Better show the pack.